So if you don't already know, PHP stands for PHP Hypertext Preprocessor. That's right, the first P in PHP actually stands for PHP. It's a recursive acronym, meaning an acronym inside of an acronym. So the first P actually stands for Personal Homepage. So it actually stands for Personal Homepage Hypertext Preprocessor, but that's all long and confusing. So basically what it is a server-side language, which means it runs on the server that your site is being hosted on. So whenever you access a site, the site sends the site is hosted on a set of all of its information. So it sends that information to a browser. That browser then renders out that information, but some of that information in certain languages like PHP is run on the server. So if you want to do anything with passwords or anything like that, like if you're making a forum or a social networking site, you'll need PHP to do that. So in order to do this, you of course need a server to run it on. You can't just run it in your browser like if you're learning HTML or something. So XAMPP is what's called a local server. So instead of paying for hosting or setting up your own server computer, you can use this just for a server that's only on your computer, won't use your internet, or cost any money. So if you want to learn more about PHP, it has a great manual with everything from basic syntax to security to variables, anything you want really. To get started using PHP, you want to set up a HTML page. If you don't already know how to do that, there's plenty of videos you can find on that. I'll probably make one in the future. So just type PHP or question mark PHP, and then type question mark and close the bracket. Now we're going to type echo, and this will basically just write out anything we type in here. So I'm going to type hi, and then you want to type a semicolon. Without the semicolon, it won't know when to stop. So if I type something else on the next line, then it's going to think I typed it on this line. You don't actually need it when there's only one command, but it's good practice to put it there. So I'll be telling you more about this echo statement in a future tutorial, and probably the print statement as well. So now you want to save it as .php in your htdocs folder. You will get this folder when you install XAMPP, but I've already saved it here, so I'm just going to save over it. Now, go into your browser, and after it says localhost, you want to type the name of your file in your htdocs folder. And then it will come up with whatever you typed. So I can go back into here, and I can go echo hey, and it'll type that. So this might seem useless at the moment, but I assure you this feature will be very useful for debugging and other things, and you can change the text on your site. Like if I entered something into an input field, then you could write that somewhere. So that's all for now, and in the next tutorial I will be showing you more about the echo statement and how to use the print statement.